Hi my babes, welcome back. Today I have another designer inspired haul along with some fine jewelry that I received from Lanewoods Jewelry, and thank you to Lanewood for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over a piece of jewelry that I would love to show you, and without further ado, go ahead and get on with this haul. Lanewoods Jewelry, they sent me over these amazing, beautiful climber earrings. If you didn't know about Lanewoods Jewelry is a fine jewelry brand that blends timeless design and ethical craftsmanship. Founded in 2016, they specialize in lab-grown moissanite pieces set in recycled precious metals, offering a luxurious style with both affordable and sustainable. I picked up the Lanewoods Crawler moissanite earrings. These aren't your over-aged studs. These are gold-plated over sterling silver crawler earrings. They are designed to gently hug your earlobe, giving it an illusion of multiple sparkling piercings in one simple, elegant piece. Each earring features brilliant moissanite stones that shimmers like a real diamond. Seriously, they sparkle so unreal under the light. And they are definitely hypoallergenic. I have these earrings in my ear right now, and as you can see with my stack, it just gives my stack such an amazing look. I don't know if the camera is coming off, showing you how these earrings are sparkling. I love them. I love these so much because it just sets my ear stack off. And if you are interested in any of Lanewoods Jewelry's pieces, I will be sure to have them all linked below in the description box, along with a coupon code for you all to receive monies off your purchase. And thank you to Lanewoods Jewelry for sponsoring today's video.